Sometimes you may be wondering how much you have left after an expenditure, or maybe you want to know what you spent, you want to know the exact money you carried. You just need basic mathematics sometimes to be able to get to know things like that. Now, if you look at this example, a school girl spent 1/4 of her pocket money on books and 1/300. What fraction remains? So you notice they're not telling you to find the pocket money, they're telling you to find the fraction that remains from everything she spent. Yeah, so for us to be able to do this, we need to look at that money as a whole. Let's say, meaning that we can just say the money is 1. That is, as a whole, just say it's 1, since we're not asked to find the money. So she spends 1/4 of her pocket money on books, 1/3 on dress, meaning that the sum of the things she spent minus the pocket money will give us the fraction left. So meaning that this is the interpretation of this question. If you look at it, this is her pocket money and this is what she spent. So if you find the difference, you get the fraction that's remaining. So if we just go through this, we have 1 here, starting with the bracket, we have 12, 3 plus 4, so that is 1 minus 7/12. What we need was 5/12. So that is it, 5/12. So just remember that from this question, since we're just asked to find the fraction of pocket money remaining, we have to look at the pocket money as a whole. If you want to know what I mean by whole, it's just like WHOLE. So that's it. So as a whole, meaning just as one, like we put here. So we're not really concerned about the pocket money, we're just concerned about what fraction remains. So assuming what they told us to find the pocket money, we could have said maybe the pocket money is P or X for us to find the pocket money. But since we're looking for the fraction that remains, we'll look at the pocket money as a whole. Then we'll remove the things spent for us to find the fraction that's remaining. Now, okay, let's just look at when they say we should find the pocket money. So this is the question where we have to find the pocket money. If you look at it, it says Maria spent 2/5 of her pocket money on sweets and had 45 naira left. What was her pocket money? And so let's interpret this question. She spent 2/5 of her pocket money, meaning that we'll assume the pocket money to be P. So that means it is 2/5 of P. Same thing as 2/5P. So that's what she spent on sweets. Okay, now she had 45 naira left. So if we have her pocket money minus what she spent, we'll get what is left. That is just it. So meaning that if her pocket money is P and we remove what she spent, 2/5 of P on sweets, we'll get 45 naira. That's it. So let me just bring it up so that you see how to get the pocket money. So it's up now. P minus 2 over 5, P equals to 45 is the same thing as just spending 2 over 5 on pocket money or sweet, and this is left. So we're looking for this. So we're going to remove what she spent from her normal money to get what is left. So this, we'll put it in a fraction form, since here is P over 1. Having 5 here, we get 5P minus 2P equals to 45. This is 3P over 5 equals to 45. 5P minus 2P is 3P. So if we cross multiply, and that's what we normally do when we have equal to here. So if we cross multiply, we have this is 3P equal to 1 to 5. Sorry, 2 to 5. Equal to 2 to 5. That means P is equal to 75. That means P is equal to 75. So that is our pocket money. So if you want to check to see if you get back 45, you could just let me do it somewhere here. We could just insert this P here, 75 minus 2 over 5 bracket 75. Let's see if we'll get 45. So if we want to check, we'll just insert 75 and 75 there, 75, 75 here. So we have 75 minus 5 here is 15 times 2 is 30. We have 45. So that is it. So we get back what we actually have remaining from what we spent. So this is exactly how we do or solve word problems involving fractions. But these are just basic examples of how to actually deal with word problems involving fractions. I'm going to give you an assignment that you should probably try at home, and in our next video we're going to solve it. So this is the assessment. Two fractions have the same denominator as 5. The difference between the fractions is 2 over 5, and the result of dividing one of them by the other is 2. What are the fractions? So this one could be a little confusing, or maybe you may not know where to start from, but I'll advise you to look critically at the question and bring out the parameters or the expressions one after the other and combine them so that you'll be able to arrive at the correct answer. Remember, you're looking for the fractions. So I hope you're able to do it based on what we've seen from word problems involving fractions. And in my next video, I'll give you the solution. So please, if you have not done so, if you follow the video from beginning till now, and you've not subscribed, please allow you to subscribe. And also give us a thumbs up if you like our video. And see you in my next video. Thank you very much.